RISKGATE is an online body of knowledge built using coal industry expertise. It's an easy-to-use, interactive tool providing information about high-consequence risk areas across coal mining operations, such as manual tasks, fire, isolation, collisions, inrush and outburst. It's designed to help you understand and select controls relevant to specific major issues or events, and connects you to information about event-specific controls. RISKGATE has been developed to address two very important industry issues. The first is the recognition that every site is different. Each mine has unique characteristics that need to be considered when managing risk, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. RISKGATE does not provide a set of systems, procedures or guidelines, but rather it provides prompts that may help you find gaps in your own controls based on systematic consideration of events, including their causes and consequences. The second is to more carefully consider the existence and effectiveness of controls for major incidents. It's common for sites to use a risk matrix, the 5x5, to rank and then re-rank risk based on limited control information. But re-ranking from a red to a green without detailed control information may not provide a reliable image of tolerable risk. The practice itself could be risky. RISKGATE addresses both these issues. RISKGATE uses bow tie analysis to identify event-specific controls and consider the range of causes and consequences for selected priority events. Bow ties consist of a single initiating event in the centre, a list of possible causes on the left, each with its own specific preventive controls, and stemming from the initiating event on the right is a list of possible consequences, each with its own specific mitigating controls. The relationship between causes and consequences is managed through the central knot or initiating event. So the thinking isn't cause and effect or cause and consequence, it's cause and event, then event and consequence. Let's consider an example using RISKGATE. A risk manager is reviewing controls around hydraulic fluid catching fire on a dump truck. In RISKGATE, we'd start in the fire's topic area. Each topic area lists the relevant initiating events. In our example, we'd choose fire on mobile plant and field equipment and click to open the bow tie for this event. The information is then displayed as a bow tie, with the event in the middle, causes on the left and consequences on the right. Let's say we're interested in controls around spillage or overfilling of hydraulic fluid. The second cause is the one we want. Clicking on the cause will then populate the list of preventive controls. Click on the expansion icon to display a list of actions required for each control. On the other side of the bow tie, click on the consequence to show a list of mitigating controls. This page presents data in a bow tie structure. A checklist can be generated by clicking on this button. RISKGATE checklists help you quickly access the relevant control information for the specific priority event you want to prevent or mitigate. Practical control-focused information can be generated for use within your current mine activities and systems. You can use RISKGATE to conduct or develop risk assessments, audits, incident investigations, and management systems. RISKGATE is a major project funded through ACARP, the Australian Coal Association research program, supported by many of the world's leading coal mining companies. It's being developed by the University of Queensland's Minerals Industry Safety and Health Centre